And that's how you make $528 or more with this simple online typing job. All you have to do is just go to... What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can earn $528 a day or more with 2 simple online typing jobs and a simple trick. I'm also going to announce the winner of the previous giveaway, and we're going to have a new giveaway here also. To find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me. But first, if you're new around, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, and a lot more. Alright guys, so as I said, I'm gonna show you here in today's video on how you can earn $528 or more with 2 easy online typing jobs and a simple trick. Now first, a disclaimer, results are not typical. Use this information at your own risk, but if you skip out any part of this video, you might not get any results at all. So make sure you stick till the end here. Make sure you stick till the end because I'm also going to announce a new giveaway in today's video. So to find out all the details here, you need to watch till the end here. And we are going to announce the winner of the previous giveaway. So without further ado, let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright guys, so this is the video here that I have a giveaway, and now what we are going to do, we're going to have a look at it. It's about copy and pasting links, and you can earn $125.90 a day online. It's a great video, by the way. You should watch it if you haven't done it already. Now I'm going to just grab the link here to make it really quick, and now we are going to enter it here and getting the YouTube comments, and let's get started to see who is going to win access to daily list profits. Congratulations, I'm going to try here, Ingus Hinnerma. Congratulations my friend, you have just won access to daily list profits, which is my own course. All you have to do is contact me and I will make sure that you're going to get access to the course here. It's about actually making your $100 a day and building an email list for free. Alright, let's proceed here with today's video. Make sure you subscribe to my other YouTube channel, which is my IM Tips. It is related to internet marketing tips and a lot more. You're going to find a link at the top and in the description below. And if you're serious in building a long-term sustainable online business, make a full-time passive income online with it, then I highly suggest you to have a closer look at my #1 recommendation right here below as soon as we finish this video, of course. But first, let's have a look at in today's video on how you can earn $528 a day or more. Let's go! Alright guys, so before you jump into any conclusions, because you might have seen this site, I'm actually going to explain to you here, but this is just the beginning here, okay? So that is why it is so important, as I mentioned, to watch the whole video here. So you probably have seen this site, it is rev.com, and you can actually go here to sign up as a freelancer. If I scroll down to the bottom, and apply for actually transcriptionist. All right, this is one of the easiest typing online jobs that is available online, because all you need is a good pair of headphones and of course you need to type. But here comes a simple trick I'm going to show you later on here. So basically the first thing that you can do to see how fast you can type is to go to a site like typingtest.com and just see how fast you can type. All right. But as I said, I'm going to show you a trick here so you actually don't have to type. So let's have a quick look here to do the maths a little bit here. You can see that you can earn up to $1.10 per audio video minute. Now if I fire up the calculator here and paste it, and let's say that we have 60 audio minutes, it's $66 per audio hour. All right, so let's assume here that you can do this And if I multiply it with 8, you can see here that I have $528. Now I know that you're going to say that I can't have 8 full audio hours, but I'm going to show you how you can actually earn more money here with easy online typing jobs. So bear with me, alright? So this is the first opportunity. Now you see that Captioner is pretty similar and you can earn the exact same amount of money. If you are interested and happened to know about a foreign language, you can see here that you can earn much more money. But let's assume that we're going to stay with this one, all right? Now, besides that you are going to sign up for freelance sites, more than just one of these kind of sites, it's pretty obvious in my opinion, because you can't just sit and wait to get job from rev.com. But here comes the secret. Now, if I go here to freelancer.com, look at this. I just typed copy typing, all right? And look at our easy online jobs here. We have the first one, convert PDF into Word, all right? $400 is the average bid here. There is 57 bids. Now all you have to do is go inside here and bid lower than the rest, and you can get this kind of job. And you can see that there is tons of jobs available here, all right? This is similar, $80, $88, conversion of PDF into Word, $76. Here we have something else, $378. Keep in mind that this is only on freelancer.com, and there is so many freelance sites that you can go actually and do the exact same thing. So don't worry about that you are not going to get enough of job here. The more you hunt, the more you will get, all right? So now let's get into how do we actually do this. Well, to illustrate and show you the example here, I just took a PDF here. So let's say that we are going to have this one converted into Word. Now what you're going to do is you definitely must have a Gmail account, and when you have a Gmail account you will get access to Google Docs. And Google Docs is actually, you can download it to Word later on and save it. But what we are interested in is this tool here, and it is available here on tools and voice typing. You can see here, all right, Control-Shift-S if you want to use shortcuts. You should definitely learn shortcuts as much as possible because it is going to save you time. So now let me just show you how easy you can do this. So this is the PDF, and now all you have to do is just read this loud, and we are going to record this. So I'm going to click the speak and I'm going to start to read. If you're reading this article now, chances are you are in some sort of pain, whether physical and mental. It could be overweight, struggling, thyroid disease, fatigue, brain fog, and more. Period. New paragraph. Use this information, don't just skim through it, and store it in the back of your brain and say, that's nice for some people. Motivate yourself to change. Period. New paragraph. Did you see how cool that is? Okay, so you don't have to type anything at all and it goes super fast. Okay, so I just read through the PDF, and that is how you can proceed and taking up on these jobs without even have to type, all right? Now, of course, we can go in and correct afterwards, but still it is definitely worth to take up on this easy online typing job, just like this. And you could see earlier here the chances that you're going to get job, all right? I'm just scrolling down here. Look at this, $341. Now, this was Excel. But there is so many jobs that you can take up on, all right? And as I said, freelancer.com is just one of these sites. So there you have it, guys. All you have to do is just get started. This is super easy to do. Don't hesitate, get started, take action on this today. All right, so let's have a quick look at the giveaway here. Now, really simple. The first thing you need to do is like this video, subscribe. You should have watched the whole video until here and now. Secondly, you need to share this video with someone. And finally, you need to comment right here below. Otherwise, I can't pick you as a winner. Really simple on how you can do this. 3 simple steps. Like, subscribe, share this video, and comment. Make sure you also check out my #1 recommendation right here below, as I said earlier here, on how you can earn a full-time passive income online. If you got some value here on this video, make sure to smash that like button below. I really appreciate it. Make sure you subscribe to both my YouTube channels that you're going to see at the end screen here. Hit that notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And make sure you watch my other recommendation at the end screen here on how to make money online. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.